3 AI tools for scalping and short-term trading available to US traders. Scalping means opening and closing trades quickly. Instead of waiting weeks for a large price move, a scalper tries to catch smaller movements during the trading day. Because everything happens quickly, traders often use AI signals or automated bots to watch the market. Number one is Tickeron. Tickeron offers real AI trading agents. These agents analyze US stocks and ETFs, look for short-term price movements, and show possible entry and exit points. Some agents are designed for intraday and scalping-style trading. You can view their previous trades and results before choosing an agent. Tickeron is the closest platform on this list to a real AI scalping bot. Number two is Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas is not a dedicated scalping bot. Instead, its wholly AI scans US stocks and finds possible short-term trading opportunities. It can show an entry price, a profit target, and a stop level. You can follow these ideas manually or use Brokerage Plus to send orders to a supported broker. Number three, StockHero. StockHero is also not a dedicated AI scalping platform. It helps you create or select an automated trading bot without coding. You decide when the bot should buy, when it should sell, and how much risk it should take. The bot can then place trades automatically through a supporter US broker. Whichever platform you choose, start with simulated trading before using real money. Test first, then trade small. Thank you for watching.